speak. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. At a place called Cafe THS, so that's where I just had that meal, and right out front is like tons and tons and tons of tourists everywhere. And so I think all the mainland Chinese tourists are back. They got all their name tags on their clothing. We're going to try to walk into the crowd a little bit, just kind of show you where we are, and then we're going to walk back. They're all going to A-Ma Temple. I'm just going to follow through a little bit. Yeah, and it's like, so basically there's all these, they're kind of lining up here. There's actually policemen right here too, directing all the traffic because there's so many tourists. So there's a policeman standing out there as well. It's like he's going to block the traffic. Let me just see what he does here. So he's going to go across and block it, I think. He's going to watch. He's just going to look. He's just going to look. Looks like he was going to come out and block it. There's another policeman there. I think they're just kind of making sure that this stays for tour buses, because sometimes a lot of cars will park here illegally, so I guess they got, that might be his relief. But yeah, basically it's like filled with tourists everywhere, and actually all these places will be busy again. We're kind of on the waterfront, like right in there. There's a there's like these little bistro stuff here, like this one is Bistro de la Sion, and down there's kind of a waterfront that's docks. You can't actually go down there as in the public. But right across the street there's A-Ma Temple. We're going to show it to you in a second. But we're just kind of watching all these tourists everywhere. It's kind of interesting. This is the restaurant that I just went to, Cafe THS, and I really like those noodles that you saw. Yeah, actually there's all these signs that say 2023 POA. I saw them kind of everywhere, so they're kind of leading them this way, and then they're going into the A-Ma Temple over there. And you can see all the crowds over there. So yeah, the police kind of managing it. Here's another tour bus, more tour buses coming right here. When I was eating there, I just saw like just massive amounts of tour buses, one after another. And there's another one right there. So they'll drop it off over there. This is the 2023 POA. I don't know what POA stands for. But yeah, sometimes I come over here and get noodles. I can park on this parking lot right here, which is what I did today. And then you can see how busy A-Ma Temple is over there. That right there is called, there's a Portuguese restaurant there, Alorca. Or is it Alorca? Alorca? Alorca. But that one is a really famous one. I feel bad that I'm mispronouncing it when it's actually quite famous. Really good food there. The bus is blocking the view of that. And now you can just see like tons and tons of tourists everywhere. So yeah, they got police directing where to park over there. They're stopping just normal regular cars, which would park there temporarily sometimes. And we're gonna go over by this waterfront real quick. Point Caixa de Barra, so we're in Barra area, so you can also take these ferries that go all the way to Coloane. And you can also walk this all the way down to Barra Temple. There's parks all the way down that way. There's like a little, this leads into a little like isthmus, like a little narrow piece of land. It's basically built for cars, but has some parks there too. Then so this is the ferry that goes to Coloane, which is the southern part of Macau. So it'll take people all the way down along that same route. So yeah, this one you can walk down it, and then the boat you can take it all the way down to across to the other island, which is Taipa and Coloane. Anyways, there's Macau Tower. You can actually walk to Macau Tower if you do this. It just follows it like all the way that way around these mountains, and then that's like built on that little isthmus that goes that way. Macau Tower. In this, basically this is like the end of this Macau Peninsula. We're at the tip of it. Yeah, look at all those tourists everywhere. Anyways, what's next? Ferry to Palawan. So anyways, hope you like that one. Tourists are definitely back. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la boquinha.